Hi, my name is Breno. I'm with my friend Bo here. We're going to show to you guys a lot of Omoplata attacks and defenses. Okay, Omoplata. When I do Omoplata, I palm it on his back. I try grabbing his pants if the far away one, but I try normally palm his back, extend and sit up. But when I do this, he same time, he roll. But like my hands on his back, I'm gonna follow him when he roll. He roll, oh look what is important here, but let's go. Go, then his sit, while his sit are open, and I hook this leg here. Then I do I lock my knee here, and I extend him here. Okay, so Omoplata palm on his back, he starts going up, I go, so here. So try keep it rolling, my legs like this gonna be hard, okay? So I bring this leg in, okay? So both legs like this, when I roll, I bring this up, and then I roll on my shoulder close to him. Okay, then I hook under, and hook both.
Alright guys, if you liked what you saw, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to follow Legacy Jiu-Jitsu Academy for more videos.